Good day, Rockford fam. My name is Alexander Chuli, and I'm the founder and designer of Rockford Collection. Today, I would like to talk to you about the ring sizers and how to size yourself, and why is it important to get a correct ring sizer and the ring size before placing an order for a Rockford ring. So there are different variations of ring sizers that are available on the market. We at Rockford created our own ring sizer for a specific purpose, that these ring sizers are wider than the regular ring sizers. So if you look at the regular ring sizers, they're going to be very thin. They're going to be around 2 millimeter wide. And that's not going to give you an exact ring size for a Rockford ring. Reason being is for the fact that Rockford rings are generally wider rings. So therefore, we at Rockford had created our own ring sizer, which is wider in size and is going to give you a perfect ring size for your future purchase. So, and by the way, this ring sizer is absolutely free. You can order the ring sizer on our website. It's going to come in an envelope within few days after you place an order. It's going to come with these instructions. By placing your camera here onto this barcode, you will see a video on how to properly size your finger. If you're coming to our showrooms, you're going to get sized with a more proper ring sizing kit that is more professional. But this is just perfect to get you your exact ring size. So go ahead, place an order for a ring sizer and get it in a few days, and you're ready to place an order for a Rockford ring.